Across seafood restaurants, supermarkets, luxury hotels, and frozen food aisles around the world, crab is considered one of the most valuable and highly sought-after seafood products. Its naturally sweet, delicate flavor and tender texture have made it a favorite ingredient in countless cuisines. From spicy Asian crab dishes and traditional American crab cakes to premium European seafood platters, crab continues to enjoy strong demand in both domestic and international markets. Every year, millions of tons of crabs are harvested from oceans, estuaries, rivers, and aquaculture farms. These crustaceans support a massive global seafood industry worth billions of dollars annually. Despite their popularity, most consumers rarely see the complex operations required to transform live crabs into the neatly packaged products available in stores and restaurants. Unlike many fish species that can be filleted and processed relatively quickly, crabs present unique challenges. Their hard shells protect valuable meat hidden inside multiple body compartments, claws, and legs. Extracting this meat efficiently requires specialized equipment, skilled labor, and strict quality control procedures. In addition, crab meat is highly perishable, meaning processors must work quickly to preserve freshness and maintain food safety standards. Behind every package of crab meat lies an extensive supply chain involving fishermen, aquaculture farmers, transport operators, seafood processors, laboratory technicians, cold storage facilities, and international distributors. Each stage plays a critical role in ensuring that consumers receive a safe, high-quality product. Today, we're stepping inside a modern crab processing factory to explore the fascinating journey that transforms live crabs into premium seafood products shipped to markets around the world. Welcome to AgriTech Smart. The journey begins long before the crabs arrive at the processing facility. Around the world, commercial crabs are sourced from both wild fisheries and aquaculture operations. In coastal waters, fishermen deploy thousands of baited traps and pots across the seafloor. These traps are carefully designed to attract crabs while reducing the capture of non-target species. Depending on local conditions and target species, traps may remain underwater for several hours or even several days before being retrieved. As fishing vessels return to collect their traps, crews sort through the catch on deck. Market-sized crabs are retained, while undersized individuals and protected species are often released back into the water. This practice helps support sustainable fisheries and ensures future crab populations remain healthy. In recent years, crab farming has become increasingly important in many countries. Species such as mud crabs are raised in ponds, mangrove ecosystems, and coastal aquaculture facilities. Farmers carefully manage water quality, feeding schedules, and stocking densities to maximize growth and survival rates. Whether harvested from the wild or raised on farms, crabs must be handled with great care. Freshness begins at the source, and any stress or damage during harvesting can affect the quality of the final product. Workers often place live crabs in specially designed containers that provide ventilation and temperature control during transportation. In some regions, live crabs are transported directly to processing facilities within a few hours of harvest. In others, they may travel hundreds of kilometers before reaching their destination. Regardless of distance, maintaining the health and freshness of the crabs remains a top priority throughout the journey. When shipments arrive at the processing factory, the first step is a thorough inspection process. Every batch must meet strict quality standards before entering production. Workers carefully examine the crabs for size, weight, shell condition, freshness, and overall health. Crabs that show signs of damage, disease, or poor quality are separated from the main batch. This initial screening helps ensure that only suitable raw materials enter the processing line. After inspection, the crabs are sorted according to species and size. Different markets often require specific grades, and sorting allows processors to maximize product value. Larger crabs may be destined for premium meat products, while smaller individuals may be used for other seafood applications. Many modern factories maintain large holding tanks filled with filtered seawater. These tanks provide a temporary environment where live crabs can be stored before processing. Advanced filtration systems continuously monitor water quality, oxygen levels, salinity, and temperature to minimize stress on the animals. Quality control personnel closely monitor incoming shipments throughout this stage. Detailed records are often maintained for traceability purposes, allowing processors to track products from harvest location all the way to final distribution. This level of documentation is increasingly important for export markets and food safety compliance. Once sorting and inspections are complete, the selected crabs move forward to the next stage of processing. Cooking is one of the most critical stages in crab processing because it directly affects flavor, texture, appearance, and food safety. The live crabs are transferred into large industrial cooking systems capable of handling thousands of kilograms per batch. Depending on the facility and product requirements, processors may use steam cooking systems, boiling tanks, or a combination of both methods. Precise temperature control is essential throughout the cooking process. If the crabs are undercooked, harmful microorganisms may survive. If they are overcooked, the meat can become dry, tough, and less appealing to consumers. For this reason, factories carefully monitor cooking times and temperatures using automated control systems. Inside the cooking area, massive stainless steel vessels generate intense heat and steam. As the crabs cook, their shells gradually change color, transforming from darker shades of green, blue, or brown into the bright orange-red appearance commonly associated with cooked crab. Once cooking is complete, the crabs are rapidly cooled. Quick cooling helps preserve texture, maintain product quality, and reduce the risk of bacterial growth. Some facilities use chilled water systems, while others rely on refrigerated cooling rooms designed specifically for seafood processing. The cooling stage also prepares the crabs for handling during meat extraction. At this point, the product is ready for one of the most labor-intensive and valuable operations in the entire factory. For many viewers, this is the most fascinating part of the entire process. Although seafood processing technology continues to advance, crab meat extraction still relies heavily on skilled workers in many parts of the world. The reason is simple. Crabs have a complex body structure, and recovering the maximum amount of meat requires precision, experience, and careful handling. Workers begin by separating the claws, legs, and body sections. Using specialized tools, they crack shells and carefully remove edible meat from each compartment. The process may appear straightforward, but it requires significant skill to avoid damaging the delicate meat while maximizing recovery rates. Every gram of crab meat has value. Because crab is considered a premium seafood product, processors work hard to minimize waste and maintain product quality. Experienced workers can process large quantities of crabs while maintaining remarkable accuracy and consistency. Different parts of the crab produce different grades of meat. Large, intact pieces from the body are often classified as premium lump crab meat and command the highest prices in the market. Smaller flakes and fragments may be used in seafood salads, soups, dips, crab cakes, sushi products, and ready-to-eat meals. Throughout the extraction process, workers continuously inspect the meat for shell fragments and other impurities. Additional sorting stations may be used to ensure that only clean, high-quality meat proceeds to packaging. Watching thousands of crabs transformed into neatly sorted trays of premium meat highlights the incredible amount of labor involved in producing this highly valued seafood product. Food safety is one of the most important priorities in any seafood processing facility, especially when products are destined for international markets. Throughout production, every batch undergoes multiple inspections and testing procedures. Quality assurance teams monitor processing conditions to ensure compliance with strict regulatory requirements. Laboratory technicians regularly collect samples for analysis. These tests may evaluate microbial contamination, moisture levels, product consistency, temperature records, and overall product quality. The results help verify that the crab meat meets both domestic and international food safety standards. Many factories operate under globally recognized certification programs such as HACCP, BRC, ISO standards, and other export-related requirements. These systems establish detailed procedures for identifying and controlling potential hazards throughout production. In addition to laboratory testing, processors use metal detectors, visual inspection stations, and quality checkpoints to identify any issues before products leave the facility. Traceability systems allow manufacturers to track products throughout the supply chain, providing additional confidence for buyers and regulators. Maintaining cleanliness is equally important. Workers wear protective clothing, gloves, masks, hairnets, and waterproof aprons while sanitation teams regularly clean equipment, floors, and processing areas. Strict hygiene protocols help prevent contamination and protect product integrity. These comprehensive quality control measures ensure that consumers receive safe, reliable, and high-quality crab products. Once the crab meat has passed all quality inspections, preserving freshness becomes the primary objective. Because crab meat is highly perishable, processors move it quickly into chilling and freezing systems. Rapid temperature reduction helps maintain flavor, texture, color, and nutritional value while extending shelf life. Many facilities use blast freezers that expose products to powerful streams of extremely cold air. Other factories employ advanced freezing technologies designed to freeze products rapidly and uniformly. Fast freezing minimizes the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the delicate structure of the meat. After freezing, the crab meat moves to packaging lines where it is weighed, portioned, labeled, and sealed. Depending on customer requirements, products may be packed in vacuum-sealed bags, plastic tubs, retail trays, cans, or bulk containers intended for food service operations. Automated equipment verifies package weights and checks seal integrity before products continue to storage. Accurate labeling is also essential, providing information about product origin, processing dates, batch numbers, and storage instructions. The finished products are then transferred to large cold storage warehouses where temperatures remain carefully controlled around the clock. These facilities can store thousands of tons of seafood while preserving quality until shipment. The final stage of the journey involves delivering crab products to customers across the globe. Every year, enormous quantities of processed crab meat are exported to major markets in North America, Europe, Asia, Australia, and the Middle East. Demand remains strong due to the product's premium reputation and versatility in food preparation. Maintaining an uninterrupted cold chain is essential during transportation. Even small temperature fluctuations can affect product quality, making refrigeration a critical component of seafood logistics. Refrigerated trucks transport products from factories to ports, airports, and distribution centers. From there, refrigerated shipping containers maintain stable temperatures throughout international transit. Advanced monitoring systems often track temperatures continuously to ensure compliance with food safety requirements. After arriving in destination countries, products move through wholesalers, distributors, retailers, and restaurant suppliers before finally reaching consumers. Within a matter of weeks, crab meat processed in one country may be served in restaurants or sold in supermarkets thousands of kilometers away. What began as a live crab harvested from coastal waters has now completed an extraordinary journey to become a premium seafood product enjoyed around the world. From fishermen hauling traps from the ocean to aquaculture farmers raising crabs in coastal ponds, from factory workers carefully extracting delicate meat by hand to quality control teams ensuring food safety at every stage. The journey of crab is far more complex than most consumers realize. Behind every package of crab meat lies an impressive combination of harvesting expertise, advanced processing technology, skilled labor, strict quality standards, and sophisticated global logistics networks. Each step is carefully managed to preserve freshness and deliver the highest possible quality to consumers. As global demand for premium seafood continues to grow, crab processing factories will remain an essential link connecting coastal communities, seafood producers, and international markets. These facilities not only create valuable food products but also support thousands of jobs throughout the seafood supply chain. The next time you enjoy a crab dish at a restaurant or purchase crab meat from a supermarket, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey that brought it to your table. Thank you for joining us inside the crab processing factory. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow AgriTech Smart for more fascinating stories about seafood processing, food manufacturing, modern agriculture, and global supply chains. And here's a question for you. What is your favorite crab dish and how do you like it prepared? Let us know in the comments below.